just here, just looking at this bat. Have you ever heard of one? 500cc bat. Yeah. Apparently it was a British manufacturer between 1902 and 1925. Look at that. It's marvellous. But anyway, it's enough of that. Look how far away. Look at those bars. Marvellous. Not here to look at that. No, stop looking at that. This is what we're here for. Yeah. Yamaha RD250. Look at that. In yellow. This one is different. I have videoed a bog standard one, which hopefully you've seen. If not, I'll go and have a look at it, because this one isn't standard. No, this one's had those tweaks that we all did, and we did all do them. This is a 77, something like that. Yeah, RD250, about 30 brake horsepower, in yellow. Yeah, Kenny Roberts colours, I think, isn't it? Everyone says. Was it Kenny Roberts? I think so. Yeah. Marvellous. Big disc at the front. What can I tell you? It's not the same. Except this one. This is just lovely condition. Original condition. Few little scratches on it. Little tiny little dings and stuff. You know, spanners. They look like they've been hit with sockets and stuff like that. But that's marvellous, isn't it? All the casings have been coated again, I assume. Or it's been a very lucky bike. Looks like it's been cleaned up, to my mind. But those pipes, that's what I want to talk about. Yeah, they really crackle, don't they? Do you remember them? I think these are Piper. Do you remember Piper exhausts? I think that's what they are. But I couldn't swear to it. There's no name on it or anything like that. Shocks have been changed as well. Yeah, still going, of course. They might be brand new for all I know. Disc on the back though, look at that. 77, a disc on the back. That's marvellous, isn't it? Mickey Mouse mirrors. Yeah. Again, halogen light there, look. Oh, slightly domed. Don't know what that was about, but I bet it's original. Yeah, looks original. Lovely to touch and round. The quality is always there with these old bikes. They all feel really, really good. Kickstart on the right hand side. 5-speed gearbox, I think, as I recall. Big fat tail light. And what we've got here, oh, look at 19,000 miles this has done. Incredible, isn't it, really? Indicators, just standard. Oil light, presumably, yeah, oil light, neutral, high beam there. That's marvellous, isn't it? Switch gear, all the same. I mean, I don't know what more I can say about these bikes, but they excite me enormously. And hopefully, the fact you've clicked on this video suggests that you might have had one yourself, or you've got one now. I do see a few of these about, and this one is all running. Yeah. So, you know, they're a usable bike even today. And with 19,000 miles, that's proven, isn't it? Yeah. I'm going to put my leg over it, because I've got to. Because, you know, what's the point in seeing a bike like this and not doing that, other than having a go on it? Look at that. There we go. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Mickey Mouse mirrors. Mutter, mutter, mutter. Yeah, I'm late for work. Can you imagine? With that crackle of those pipes. Except it wouldn't. The front wheel would be up, wouldn't it? You know that. You know I'd be riding it like a lunatic. I would. And that's the problem with these two-strokes, isn't it? They make you ride them like a lunatic, because they just beg to scream. Yeah. But I'm pretty impressed, and it is something I would consider. You know, look at that proper pipe there. Incredible. Yeah. just unbelievable. Horn there. Let's have a close look at it. It is just marvellous. And everyone said, oh, they won't last 5 minutes, these bikes. Japanese stuff, yeah, it's a fad, it'll soon be gone. Well, got us into a bit of a mess, didn't it? Yeah. But there you go. Just marvellous. Yamaha RD250, 1977. If you have one of these, you might want to comment and let us know bits about it. I'd love to hear your stories about your days on these bikes, because I thoroughly enjoyed them. I really did. But there you go. Marvellous. Yamaha RD250.